Photographs are a great way to instruct children about birds. Hi, I'm Wayne Grillhart, and I shoot birds with a Canon. But that wasn't always the case. I used a Minolta to shoot the birds for my first book, The Mystery at the Bird Feeder. In this book, Purdy the English setter finds the bird feeder on the ground empty one winter morning, and she wants to know who knocked it down and ate all the bird seed. So she intelligently looks to the birds and asks Carl the Cardinal if he would help her look for clues to solve the mystery. Jimmy the Junco comes along and heard them talking and wants to help out. Nancy the red-breasted nuthatch comes by. We find Terry the tufted titmouse and several other birds trying to help Purdy solve the mystery. And it's because of the photographs in here that we can grab the students' attention and add a bit of reality and show the birds in their natural environment to get them interested in nature, the birds, and learning about them. This book is available on Amazon.com in the softcover copy or on the website thebirdbooks.com. On the website there is also more information about the book and where you can purchase it in some of the stores that are carrying the hardcover version, which has the glossy photographs that are really loved by birders. So go to www.thebirdbooks.com to find more information and make your purchase.